Education essay for IELTS writing. Education is very important for everyone. It helps learn new things, develop skills, and think critically. When we go to school, we gain knowledge that prepares us for jobs and daily life. Education also helps us understand the world better. It allows us to make informed choices and be active members of our communities. People who are educated often have better job and can earn more money. Additionally, education promotes equality. It gives everyone a chance to succeed regardless of their background. In today's fast changing world, learning never stops. Education helps us adapt to new challenges and grow as individual. In short, education is the key to a better future for ourselves and society.